My video guide is about removing the ransomware that is called Decrypt, and this particular ransomware is the part of the Phobos ransomware family. In the video guide, I will demonstrate how exactly the ransomware works. So before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documents can be opened pretty easily. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this Decrypt ransomware may be easily injected into the system. We discovered this ransomware while researching malware samples that were submitted to the virus total database. So this ransomware encrypts files and modifies their file names and generates two ransom nodes, info.hta and info.txt. So this one you see is info.hta. The ransomware says that all of your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for the file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file recovery. You can also clearly see that the ransomware also changes the desktop background into the black one. We strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this doesn't guarantee the file restoration. Those people who have paid the ransom, they most likely have wasted their money for nothing. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner Antivirus using this official page. Use this green button to download the software, install it, and then start carefully researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. In your particular case, the program should first of all update the anti-malware database and then will begin scanning and researching your system. By the way, this is the way the ransomware appends the files. It adds this decrypt extension, but it also adds some unique identifier to the file name, then some email address, johnhelper@gmx.d, and finally this decrypt phrase. So, after Combo Cleaner has updated its anti-malware database, it will begin scanning your system, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats, of course. We recommend you to pay the attention to the anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner. It's a part of the premium license, but it allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license. At the end of the scan, as I said, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium. This is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.